Want to save time on sourcing? Get emails, phone numbers, and profile data for all your contacts with just a few clicks. All you need is your list of contacts, whether it's LinkedIn profiles, emails, or company websites, and we'll take care of the rest. Here's how to use ContactOut enrichment to enrich your leads list. First, save your list of LinkedIn URLs as a CSV file. Then, head over to the enrichment tool on your ContactOut dashboard. Click to upload or drag and drop your file into the LinkedIn URL section and hit submit. And voila! You can now view information such as the company your leads are currently in, their location, their industries, and much more all in one glance. Have a list of personal emails and don't know who they belong to? Not a problem. Input your CSV file and instantly receive their LinkedIn profile information. The same process also works with company domains. Just submit a list of websites and we'll bring you the corresponding data. Location, industry, keywords, you name it. Really useful for building those sales lists. This way you can sift and filter through lists of target companies easily and craft a personalized approach for your outreach without spending hours on research.